के साथ हम स्वागत करेंगे संजय पारिक सर का, प्लीज डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेल्स हिरंदानी ग्रुप, तालियों के साथ स्वागत किया जाए प्लीज।
Thank you.
वेलकम सर, वेलकम।
Thank you everyone. Thank you. Good evening everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you. Can we start? Yeah. So I'm going to cover 3-4 slides. Okay. All you have been waiting. One is what is the opportunity, which will take 4-5 minutes. Pricing, and then brokerage structure. Am I audible? Thank you. Please go ahead. So I'm just giving you one comparison. You all are aware. So here is the South Bombay part of it, right? This is Borivali. What is the distance which is there? 45 kilometers, and distance is almost 1.5 hour travel. What is the price at Borivali? 28 to 30,000 rupees per square feet, right? So South Bombay to Borivali, 45 kilometers, 30,000 rupees rate. Overall in Borivali is today selling at 30,000 rupees rate. Now let us also compare on the central side of it. From South Bombay, Hirandani Estate, Thane. That distance is 49 kilometers. Travel time not 2 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes. You go on a normal day evening time, right? What's the price? Hirandani Estate price is 28 to 30,000 rupees. Today you want to buy and resell in estate, 28,000 is the rate minimum. And new building almost 29-30,000 rupees. Also compare from the South Bombay to Hirandani Fortune City, 50 kilometers. Traveling time is 45 to 50 minutes. What's the price? 15,000 rupees. You can see the difference. These two places, after MTHL, now this is the place. The entire development is going to be on this side of the area, and the price is going to catch up. 15,000 का प्राइस धीरे धीरे 28-30,000 के प्राइस को कैचअप कर लेगा. 28-30,000 प्राइस ऑल्सो इज गोइंग टू कीप राइजिंग. इन्फ्लेशन के साथ बढ़ते जाएगा, ये प्राइस बढ़ेगा. बट यहाँ पे दिस एंटायर एरिया, दिस एंटायर डेवलपमेंट, नवी मुंबई विल कैच अप. So you will see a price escalation happening. This is what the development is. Because of this entire area, this entire zone is going to catch up in price in terms of Navi Mumbai से Mumbai के price को. So this is opportunity. So most of the Mumbai suburbs का जो price है, you will find that happening in this area down the line. I'm not saying it will happen now in next 2 years, but this is going to catch up. There is a big catch up which is going to happen in next couple of years. We are going to see this tremendous jump happening in this area. Next. Go ahead, next. So I want to tell you what are the different 4-5 developments which are happening. For example, do everything complete. See the external factors. Right now, if you look at it, infrastructure wise, there's a big external factor which is happening. Look at the first part of it. External factor is happening. Mumbai next. All the infrastructure development which Suman has already told you. So there is all this development is going to happen. So there is a quick push which is coming up. Price of Borivali, Thana will be catch up by Panvel area or Mumbai next area and next couple of years. Second, internally, you look at the development, 580 acre of development. This is our own township. Already this township has the road which is much bigger than Powai and Thana. Powai roads are 20 meter, Thana road is 40 meter. In Hirandani Fortune City, the roads are 60 meters. This means the entire infrastructure that we are laying internally is much bigger. आपको लग रहा है कि अभी हम जो डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं वो डेवलप इतनी बड़ी कैपेसिटी का है. वहाँ पे हम राइट नाउ स्कूल इज ऑपरेशनल, रिटेल इज स्टार्टेड, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट हकुने. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर अवेयर, बट हिरानदानी पवाई जब स्टार्ट किया था ऑलमोस्ट 25-30 years बैक, वी यूज्ड टू हैव go-karting, Hakuni, game center, all that was developed in the initial stage. Now that entire zone is coming up in Hirandani Fortune City and will be operational between April to June. इस साल अप्रैल से जून के बीच में almost 70% of the work is completed. It means we are going to put a lot of crowd in the entire township. So you look at it, there is a big infrastructure development happening. Parallelly, we are also developing this. Also understand one more important part. एक बहुत बढ़िया काम होता है कोई भी एरिया को डेवलप करने के लिए एक लेवल होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हीरानंदानी पवाई भी पहले 1500 अपार्टमेंट बने थे, तब तक बहुत लो लाइन था. वंस द 1500 अपार्टमेंट में डिलीवर्ड, द फीस स्टार्टेड ग्रोइंग. 2000 से लेकर जो ग्रोथ हुआ था हीरानंदानी पवाई का बहुत बढ़िया था. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको मिनिमम क्राउड मिल गया था. यहाँ पे भी हीरानंदानी फॉर्च्यून सिटी में वी आर एट द टिपिंग पॉइंट. वाई? हमने 2000 अपार्टमेंट ऑलरेडी डिलीवर कर दिए हैं. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, इंटरनल भी इतना डेवलपमेंट हुआ है. अब 2000 अपार्टमेंट आ गए, इसका मतलब देयर आर मिनिमम क्राउड विच इज अवेलेबल. वहाँ मिनिमम रिटेल, सारी जरूरत की रिक्वायरमेंट आज मिनिमम आ गई है. So the growth can start picking up. So it's a good time to be in. That's why we say we are at the tipping point of development even at this place. And I'm not saying specifically for you, check up. आप कहीं भी अच्छी डेवलपमेंट टाउनशिप या प्लेस देखोगे, 1,500-2,000 लोग मिनिमम चाहिए. जब उतने लोग आ जाते हैं तो आपका डेवलपमेंट ग्रो हो जाता है एकदम. Also, one good part about this, as Suman was also mentioning, कि भी पूरा एरिया कहाँ से लोग बाय कर रहे हैं. Just for your information, as you were saying is right, almost 35 to 40% of the people are coming from NRI out of city. But बाकी का जो एरिया 60%, उसमें से नवी मुंबई का कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है? 25%. बैलेंस साउथ बॉम्बे, सेंट्रल मुंबई, वेस्टर्न मुंबई, सभी जगह से इक्वल स्प्रेड आ रहा है. सो आप कोई भी एरिया में टच करें, यू विल फाइंड अ बायर फॉर दिस प्लेस. ओके, सो दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज वेस्टर्न सब से लोग थक गए हैं. Those who missed the opportunity last time buying in such kind of development are planning over here and buying over here. Also, आप पूरे बॉम्बे में बताइए, how many percentage of the development is happening with double wall construction? कोई नहीं करता, because it's a costly affair है. आज कौन उतना कॉस्ट इनकर करना चाहता है? कोई नहीं करता. We are putting that effort, we are developing it. All my building now, Golden Willow phase 2 में जो भी आ रहा है ना, completely double wall construction. Right? So it's a cost which is there. Though the right now also, see, हीरानंदानी का पहले से फॉर्मूला ये रहा है. पहले 10 साल हमने काफ़ी ब्लीड किया है नॉर्मली ऑल द प्रोजेक्ट, बिकॉज आप पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बनाते हो, पूरा डेवलपमेंट करते हो, एंड देन यू आर नॉट चार्जिंग सो मच कॉस्ट, बट देन यू मेक इट एज अ गोल्ड. नेक्स्ट 20-30 years becomes a gold for you. So that's a theory by which, so here also this development, this phase is at the starting point, जहाँ आप ऑलरेडी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सपोर्ट कर रहा है, इंटर टाउनशिप सपोर्ट कर रहा है, कस्टमर सपोर्ट कर रहा है, एंड डेफिनेटली विल सपोर्ट यू विद द प्राइसिंग एंड ब्रोकरेज आल्सो. सो विल शो दैट कि हाउ बेस्ट इज द प्राइसिंग इज हियर. लेट अस गो टू द प्राइसिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट. प्लीज गो अहेड. So 2 BHK, we were saying that we'll start with 1 crore 10 lakhs to 1 crore 24 lakhs, 670 square feet. Any guess how much we'll be starting with? Normally हीरानंदानी we don't budge too much on the price. So almost 3.5 to 4% discount on the pricing. Is this okay? Nobody is saying. Look like okay. So 2 BHK we are starting at a discount around 5.5%, 5% to 5.5%. Go to the next one. So 678 square feet, almost 6 to 7 lakh of discount. 2 BHK large, grande, almost we are coming out with 78 lakh of discount, 1.2 to 1.38 CR. 3 BHK premium, almost 8 to 10 lakh of discount on what is listed. So this is a new version which we are coming up with. 3 BHK large size, almost 10 to 11 lakh of discount, which is also almost 5%. And 4 BHK, 12 to 13 lakhs of discount, 2.7 to 2.99. See, one important part is we are coming up with a lot of options. Also, see, we are developing ourselves as a very premium development. So you will not find much of smaller size, but we are getting into more of bigger size apartment, 2, 3, 4 BHK. You will not find very premium development. That's why it's a place where you will find a lot of customers who are looking at, those who missed in Powai or Thana could also be considered there. Because big size apartment is still at a very reasonable price. Believe me, our construction cost is very, very high. There is hardly any margin that we are making today. We know we are going to make it in future when we start developing the further development. So here we have got 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 4 bedroom. There are Jodi options available, 677 to 1600, and then there are multiple options which are available. And you've got all the options to choose from: hill, forest, river, garden. So choice is yours. What do you want to choose? It suits every budget and range, starting from 1 crore onward. Next, now let us come to the city incentive structure.